Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really digging into something timely, AI coding assistant tools.
And also this emerging idea of vibe coding.
Exactly. So our mission here is to cut through some of the hype, figure out what these tools actually do, how they affect productivity.
And what it all means for how software gets made in the future.
Right.
And it's fascinating how fast things are moving. We've got sources updated literally just last month, August 2025.
Wow.
Yeah, and a big Stanford study, plus lots of chatter from places like Reddit giving us different angles.
So the big question, is AI really helping developers get more done? Or is it maybe creating new headaches for you?
That's what we need to unpack.
Okay, so let's start there. What are these AI coding assistants fundamentally? What can they help you do?
Well, the main idea is they enhance developer skills. They don't replace them. That's key.
Okay.
So common things are like code completion, obviously, but also refactoring, generating tests, even helping with documentation, finding errors or security issues, maybe making code reviews a bit smoother.
And the future. You mentioned multi-agent systems.
Yeah, looking ahead, we might see, different AIs specializing in different parts of the job, potentially automating bigger chunks of the workflow.
That sounds, well, potentially huge.
Yeah.
But there are so many tools popping up now.
Right.
Quoto, GitHub Copilot, Tab9, Amazon Q Developer. How do you even start to sort through them?
It's the variety that's interesting. They aren't all the same. Kodo, for instance, tries to cover the whole SDLC.
The full life cycle.
Yeah, code generation, tests, even automated PR reviews. And it plugs into VS Code, JetBrains, the usual suspects.
Yeah.
Then you have GitHub Copilot. That's the GitHub, OpenAI, Microsoft one. It gives code suggestions, has that chat feature integrated.
Maybe the IDE?
Exactly. Tabdean focuses a lot on smart code completion, refactoring help, and they push privacy with a local model option.
Ah, that's interesting. Local model.
And Microsoft's IntelliCode that uses learning from tons of open source code to give you really context-specific suggestions. Smart IntelliSense, basically.
Okay, this is leading us somewhere really interesting.
Yeah.
Vibe coding. Andrej Karpathy's term.
Yeah.
He said it's like forgetting that the code even exists. What does that actually mean for you, the developer, sitting there typing?
It's about shifting focus, using natural language, plain English prompts to describe the outcome you want.
Instead of focusing on the exact syntax?
Precisely. Less about semicolons, more about the vibe of what you're trying to build.
And where's that proving useful?
It gets a lot of praise for rapid prototyping. Think startups, maybe non-technical folks trying things out, or even corporate innovation teams.
Faster iteration.
Much faster. GitHub found early-stage devs using AI could be 55% faster. McKinsey's seeing maybe 20–30% productivity gains in digital teams overall.
Okay, so that sounds like a pretty clear win for productivity then.
Well, that's where we need to look closer. There are important nuances.
Ah, okay. The catch.
Kind of. That Stanford study, huge data set, over 100,000 developers found AI does generally boost productivity, maybe 15–20% on average.
Right.
But it often introduces rework. You have to spend time fixing bugs the AI created or just cleaning up the output.
Right. So it gives, but it also takes away sometimes.
Exactly. It's apparently really effective for simpler tasks, new projects, greenfield stuff. There you might see 30–40% gains.
Wow, okay.
But get into complex code bases, brownfield projects, or maybe less popular programming languages.
The benefit drops off.
Significantly. Sometimes it can even decrease productivity. And you hear this echoed on Reddit, too. Experienced devs say it's great for POCs, MVPs.
Proofs of concept.
Yeah.
Minimum viable products.
Right. But for robust, production-ready software that needs to be compliant and maintainable, they worry it can be a net negative, even leading to garbage code if you're not really careful.
So it's not magic. The human judgment, the review,
Yeah.
That's still absolutely critical.
Absolutely paramount. There's a great line from the GitHub blog, developers will always own the merge button.
Love that. Own the merge button.
It sums it up, right? AI augments your judgment. It doesn't replace it. You need to calibrate your trust in the tool.
Knowing when to listen and when to ignore it.
Exactly. Treat the AI's output like a first draft. You still need to review it, refine it, apply your critical thinking, your architectural knowledge.
So, okay, let's pull this all together. What's the big takeaway from this deep dive?
AI coding tools are definitely powerful partners. They can speed up a lot of development tasks, no question.
But it's not about replacing the human coder. It sounds more like evolving the role.
That's it. Maybe shifting towards higher level architecture, design, and really rigorous quality control, the human oversight becomes even more valuable.
So the human element isn't going away, it's just changing focus.
Precisely. And that leaves us with a really interesting question for you to think about.
Okay.
In a world where AI starts handling more and more of the routine coding, the boilerplate, how does balancing that AI speed with careful human judgment reshape not just how we build software, but maybe even what it means to be a skilled developer in the next few years?